Hi everyone, welcome to the course. To build this framework, we need Python knowledge. So I will discuss high level what are the data structure you need to know to build this framework. So you need uh, Python concepts on variable, list, dictionary, functions, different Python libraries such as Faker. This will help you to create mock data. Also, you need a database library to connect to SQL Server, Oracle database, or any other data storage. Also, you need Excel related libraries so that robot framework can fetch or read and write data to Excel. Also, you need knowledge on converting Excel data to dictionary, also parsing JSON or XML messages, connecting API with request library, also if you want to connect with web application, you need Selenium library. So these are very core libraries you need, as well as the data structure you need to learn on Python. It's list, dictionary, function. So these are very important data structure. Tuple we don't usually use, so that you can create your own custom libraries, and also you can use this ready-made libraries, which is you can find all these ready-made libraries uh, in Py website. Yeah, yeah. So that's all about like what are the dependencies on Python language to build this framework. I will create more courses on on this different data structure so that you can create your own function. Bye for now. Thank you.